I want him to see. He's playing with your laces.
My lace. I'm trying to get my boots off, mate.
Junior, leave Daddy alone.
Oh. I'd
Gummy
like to take
bear.
off my Timberlands. Oh, he's fast.
He really is.
What's this?
He's a hunter.
The Munter. I am actually taking off my boot now.
Junior, what was
You made
that?
a noise.
You meant to roar.
Very good.
Can you make the tea, Junior? He's after the other lace now.
He'll be. I just noticed him do it. Just watch what happens.
Is Daddy teasing you? Gummy bear. Junior. Oh, you gorgeous thing.
Just because you're pretty.
It's very pretty.